Do you know you can easily find your perfect bra size within a few minutes sitting at home? Stick with us and you won't have to deal with those awkward moments of Dukandar wala bhaiya looking at you and telling your perfect size. But before we move on, tell me, how many of you feel that you're wearing the perfect bra size but then are constantly struggling, adjusting straps, dealing with gathers on the cups, experiencing spillage on top and sides? It all happens because you picked the wrong bra size. But trust us, it's not only you who's facing this problem. Millions of women are wearing the wrong bra size. So it's important to understand the right definition of a perfect fit before finding one. So let's start. Combination of your right band and cup size makes your perfect fit. So what to do now? Grab your measuring tape, under bust measurement. Wrap the tape snugly around your ribcage, right below your bust. Make sure it's not too loose or too tight. Over bust measurements. Measure around the fullest part of your bust, making sure the tape is level to the ground. Finding your bra size. Once you have your measurements, you can use a bra size chart to determine your perfect bra size. Let's understand the size chart now. Under bust measurement gives you band size, and the over bust measurement helps you find your cup size. If your underbust is between 27 to 28 inches, then your band size is 32. Once you've got your band size, check parallelly in that row for your cup size. Now place the measuring tape on the apex of your bust and see the numbers coming. If it falls under 33 to 34 inches, your cup size would be B. So your perfect bra size would be 32B. Now, to analyze the fitting of your bra size, you can check the following steps that do not require a measuring tape. Band size check. Insert 3 fingers into the band at the back. If it's too tight, you need to go up a band size. If 5 fingers fit comfortably, you need to go down a band size. Cup size check. Padded bras. If you're wearing a padded bra and doing a fit check, look for gaps or bulging. If you find one finger gap at your neckline, go a size down. And if your breasts bulge out, you need one size bigger. If there are bulges excessively, you need to go up by 2 sizes. Non-padded bras. Check for creases on the cup or tightness. Adjust your cup size based on these indicators. I guarantee within 5 minutes you'll find your perfect bra size. Give a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Share with the one you think this would help, because every woman deserves to be comfortable in her perfect fit.